good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. So we got a Shiba Inu price prediction. You know, you got to always take these price prediction videos with a grain of salt. But shout out to Watcher Guru and who is this one from? Digital Coin Price Data. So Shiba Inu has a series of upcoming updates planned for its future, with Shiba Inu being the closest one on the horizon. This layer 2 update is scheduled to be launched next month and is anticipated to generate substantial profits for SHIB investors. But does this upgrade entail the potential to boost the meme coin's price to 1 cent? So not quite yet. So this whole question is, you know, will Shiba Inu reach 1 cent in 7 years? Based on digital coin price data, Shiba Inu has a long journey ahead before it can reach 1 cent, although some holders have speculated on 2030 as a pivotal year. The asset is projected to eliminate a few zeros from its price, but not enough to reach a cent. However, the next 7 years, SHIB is anticipated to reach approximately 0.0000773. So that's 4 zeros. The meme coin is predicted to have a minimum price of that 771 level with 4 zeros and 40778 at the maximum price by the end of 2030. So this is what they say. You know, obviously, I'm a lot more bullish on Shiba Inu. I think it will be well past, you know, where they predicted it to be by 2030. If I just had to, you know, guess, I would at least expect it to be at, you know, by 2030 minimum. Obviously, we will hope for 1 cent before then, but minimum 0.000. I don't think we'll still be in 4 zeros by by 2030. So, you know, if we can get into, you know, that last zero right before the 1 cent level, you know, that's going to be, you know, I don't want to say the most important part of the journey, because, you know, the entire journey is important, but, you know, that's where we're going to really see that race to 1 cent take off. Now, I think with, you know, 2024 Bitcoin halving, with the election, you know, coming up, I think that could be good for crypto. And, you know, if the market, you know, starts to see less inflation, interest rates kind of cool off a little bit, I think, you know, it can be good for crypto, especially with the SEC losing the lawsuit against XRP. Now more VC money, venture capitalists, institutional money are more likely to want to invest into more speculative assets like Shiba Inu, XRP, etc. So I'm bullish, you know, for 2030. You know, I think it's possible, you know, depending on what Shibarium does for Shiba Inu's ecosystem. Because if you remember, Lucy She predicted that around 100 trillion Shiba Inu tokens could possibly be burned per year. Now, not sure exactly how that plays out, but she did basically an analysis or estimation of, you know, if this figure burned this amount, if, you know, shibaswap was able to burn this amount, Shibarium burning this amount, you know, Shiba Inu lands in the metaverse burning this amount, you know, and added it all up to basically around 100 trillion per year. So that would basically get us to around 5 years where we, you know, it's going to be hard to just do that, because a lot of people are holding, you know, tokens and won't let those tokens go. So I'm not sure how that's going to play out. But 4 to 5 years to get down to maybe 100 trillion tokens, that's only if the prediction is correct. Now, I don't see it doing right now, from my estimations, 100 trillion burn per year. You know, we have to have some major developments come into the Shibarium ecosystem. I mean, thousands of projects building on top of Shibarium and, you know, using it daily with high volume. Then we could possibly see that take place. But aside from that, as far as I think it's going to take a minute to get that burn down, y'all. So, you know, a few years, 3-5 years, you know, I'm prepared, whatever it takes. You know, I'll still be here. Hopefully, you know, y'all confidence level is, you know, as high as mine. If it's not, that's fine. You can always, you know, sell at your own time frame. You know, you don't have to say I'm hold for the next 5 to 10 years, but I'm prepared to if that's what it takes. But based on the above image, it's anticipated that the meme coin will commence January 2023 or January 2030 with a peak value of 0.0000814. It appears that Shiba Inu will not eliminate any zeros from its price over the course of the year. The projected closing value for 2030 is to be at that 0.000, so 4 zeros, 778 level. At press time, SHIB is trading at that 7886 level, 5 zeros, with a daily surge of 5%. The asset pocketed weekly gains of nearly 9%. This upward movement aligns with the overall market trend, indicating a general upswing. So how can SHIB achieve its 1 cent dream? There are multiple factors that could play a role in Shiba Inu's potential path to reaching 1 cent. The primary catalyst is increased burn activity, although it is not the sole determinant. To be more specific, for Shiba Inu to have a chance to reaching 1 cent, it would need to burn about 90% of its circulating supply. As a result, SHIB would need to reduce its circulating supply. This should dip the current 579 trillion tokens to 610 billion tokens. And how can we make that even possible when there's people that we know are holding, whales holding this amount? Maybe if on that rise, Shiba Inu continues to shake everybody out, and then those tokens, get burned as, people are taking profits, and it just becomes more and more expensive to get in. That's one possibility, but, it's going to be hard to get down to that level. But rising market demand and wider adoption can contribute to the asset's price appreciation. Furthermore, significant partnerships and deals can support this progression. The Shiba Inu community and its online presence possess the ability to influence both the coin's popularity and its price. So yeah, that's an interesting article, talking about 2030 and SHIB only being at 4 zeros. Absolutely not. I think worst case scenario, this is not financial advice. This is just me being bullish and, using my understanding of the markets and experience to, at least predict that we will be, taking away 2 zeros from where we are right now. So currently, obviously we're in that 5 zero level. But 1 zero being taken away all the way 7 years from now sounds absolutely absurd. So I wouldn't take this one, with too much weight. Right now, overall crypto market cap sitting at 1.22 trillion. So it's picking back up a little bit right now. We've seen it, up earlier at 1.22 trillion, pulled down to 1.21. Now it's back up to 1.22. So money coming in and out of the markets. That's what raises the market cap. Bitcoin at 30,283. Ethereum at 1935. We got BNB at 251, XRP at 71 cent, Cardano at 32 cents, Sol 27.51, Doge at 7 cent, Matic 79 cent, Tron at 8 cent, Litecoin 94.94, DOT at 5.43, AVAX at 14.78, Bitcoin Cash at 259, Shiba Inu at that 8141 level and sitting at 16th place by market cap. I told y'all Shiba Inu can easily start to reclaim that 15th place by market cap. I think within the next few days, as we get closer to Shibirum release, and Shiba Inu may be back in the top 15. And with all the hype surrounding Shibirum, if it's how I expect it to be, we could potentially see Shiba Inu break into the top, 10, 11, 12 coins. That's a strong possibility. So to break into the top 12 coins, that would need $6.7 or $6.9 billion market cap. So just under $7 billion at market cap. So Shiba Inu would, has a little bit to go before that point. But I think it's possible with Shibirum being the next catalyst on the horizon. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up.